Hi dear customer, this is our new launch machine used for arraying the slider, and it can save the labor cost to hang the slider on the hanger for hand slider painting and hanger plating. Now let's see the machine details. Here is the hanger pieces. You can see it is one layer from here, and it will go up one by one when it finishes one pieces. Okay, the slider will fix on here one by one, and now let's see the machine's working situation. The slider will fix one by one, and when you finish all, it will move to here. Okay, you can see when the slider clicks on all turns, the pieces will move to here. And when all pieces is finished, the machine will stop automatically. And you need to ask your technician to put it in here. Okay, you can see here, the slider after fixing, it will put in here this panel frame. And you can tag it for hanger plating and painting when you finish all. Okay.